The newly resurrected Park Amplifier Company and boutique pedal manufacturer Earthquake Devices have collaborated to create the Park Fuzz sound. Now this is a faithful recreation of the original vintage germanium fuzz, but it has several improvements to bring it up to modern standards while keeping that same searing tone. It has hand-matched germanium transistors, high-quality metal film resistors and caps were used to reduce noise, and the smaller footprint plus an internally regulated DC power jack have made it more friendly for the modern player. Steve, let's get a little fuzzy and talk to me about the Park Fuzz sound.
Okay. Yeah, we're working with Mitch Colby from Colby Amps. He released the Park Amplifiers, and he contacted us to kind of see if we could revisit the old Park Fuzz sound pedal. So we tried to engineer the pedal, get it as close to sounding the Park Fuzz sound, and it sounds great. It's got treble and bass control. It's got a fuzz control and a volume control. What more do you need?